In this video, we'll show you how to install a surface mount concrete signpost base. These same techniques will apply, no matter which base you are installing. Whether it's a Traffic Safety Products original, flat-mounted concrete base, an angle iron style, flat concrete base, or a snap and Safe Breakaway Signpost Base for square tube, for U-channel signpost, or for round signposts. These are the tools you will need for the job. Begin by placing your base on the ground where you'll be installing it, and use it as a template to mark your holes for drilling. Next, using the appropriately sized concrete drill bit for your installation hardware, drill your holes according to the base manufacturer's specifications. Then line your base up over the holes and use an impact driver to fasten your installation hardware into the concrete. Once that's done, you can slide your signpost onto the upright portion of the base. Now you're ready to attach your signpost to your post base with your attachment hardware. Once you've tightened all of your hardware, installation is complete, and your post is ready for signs. If you need installation assistance, or require help choosing the right traffic safety products for your job, please call or email us today. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video.